Hi, welcome to Decke Australian Termite Baiting Systems. So we have a celebrity installation today in Delhi, so we're getting ready. As you can see, almost 90% of India is infested with termites. This is a CSIR map. So we have today about 10 baiting stations, a digging tool, provision of some water to get the termites going. So let's start. Beautiful Sunday morning, mid-March. Decke Australian Termite Baiting Systems is here in Delhi at one of the beautiful farmhouses here. It's a celebrity farmhouse. They've got a massive termite issue, and they've decided to put in Decke Termite Baiting Systems so to get rid of their termite issue. So we start by identifying the spots about 2 to 3 feet from the foundation of the building. In the lawn in front of the building, we start digging holes where we're going to put the baiting stations in. So once we decide to put the baiting stations in, we assemble the baiting station. It's already got a piece of wood, so once you assemble the station, it looks like this. All you need to do is just put the baiting station in the hole that you've already dug. So just open the lid and put some water in. It just gets some moisture going pretty much, so termites are attracted more towards the wood. So what we have done is we've put baiting stations every 8 to 10 feet, 12 feet, depending upon what area is available to you, and about 3 feet from the foundation of the building or from the boundary of the park, the lawn, and between 8 to 10 feet. And we just wait for the termites to come in, and stay tuned. We'll let you know how we go.